Hi friends, today we are going to discuss demo on CAD courses for civil engineers and architects. So first, what is meant by CAD? So what is the full form of CAD? So CAD means computer aided designing, or we call it as drafting. Next, so what are the softwares for civil engineers and architects? A list of softwares. So in that, first one will be AutoCAD, AutoCAD 2D and 3D. Next one is Revit Architecture, and next one is Revit Structure, and fourth one will be Revit MEP, and fifth one 3ds Max, and sixth one Google Sketchup, and next one we have rendering softwares like Enscape, and next one Vray. So first we see about AutoCAD. So what we are going to do in AutoCAD? Mainly AutoCAD is useful for drafting purpose. In drafting again we go for plans, and next elevations, next section drawings, and etc. And coming to in Revit architecture is mainly used for exterior designs and interior designs. Mainly we focus on exterior design. And coming to in structure, we'll focus on structural analysis and 3D structural modeling. And in MEP stand for mechanical, electrical, plumbing work. So in Revit itself we have three. One is architecture, structure, and MEP. So if you learn the Revit software or three courses, we can cover a BIM concept. So you already know about the BIM. BIM means building information modeling. Next, in 3ds Max we mainly focused for interior design and exterior design also for rendering. Next, in SketchUp what we are going to do is like Revit and 3ds Max and SketchUp. SketchUp is also useful for creating a exterior design and interior designing. Okay, but the thing is, the difference is, like if you see AutoCAD, Revit and 3ds Max, this is of Autodesk products. Autodesk products. So Google SketchUp is Trumbull companies. Okay, and see, in Google SketchUp, after creating a 3D model, after creating a 3D modeling, we'll create a render by using a Vray. After creating Vray, then we can have a Photoshop editings like editings like creating background images like sky, and creating a trees and etc., and giving a text and logo designs will be done in Photoshop editing. Coming to the Enscape. So what is the use of Enscape means, if you learn Enscape, Enscape is totally for Revit rendering purpose. So after creating our 3D model, we'll go with Enscape. If we create Enscape, we will have a realistic rendering. So these are the softwares which are going to cover for civil engineers and architects. And coming to like structural designing. First we need to go with STAADPRO, and second one will be Etabs, and third one will be already I told you, like Revit Structure. In STAADPRO, Etabs will focus like analyzing on earthquake, and wind analysis, and etc. So in Etabs, present in demand courses like Etabs for residential and commercial buildings. Coming to structural designing, first one STAADPRO, next one Etabs, and next one will be Revit Structure. In this we create designing of concrete design and steel design, and creating a reports according to our ISO standards. Okay, in that also we will create earthquake design analysis and wind analysis and etc. See, in STAADPRO, Etabs and Revit Structure will do the same concept, but the thing is, the difference is in companies. Like see, STAADPRO is for Bentley company, and Etabs is a CSI company, and for Revit you already know that it's a Autodesk product. Okay, and coming to next one is project management, or we call it as PPM. In this, first will be like we'll create MS project. We use MS project, and second one will be Primavera P6. And if you are interested, you can go with Excel also. See, in MS project and Primavera, what we are going to do is like we are creating and scheduling of projects. Scheduling projects, activities, and assigning calendars and resources and everything. At last we are going to find the duration and cost of project. Okay, and after creating all the project details of duration and cost, then we'll create a dashboards and reports. Either we can go with advanced Excel, Advanced Excel we can create dashboards and reports, or directly we can do in MS Project and Primavera. MS Project means Microsoft project. So it's a Microsoft product. And coming to Primavera is like Oracle product. It is a like database software. Next one is interior designing. In interior designing, first the software is going to be used is first AutoCAD, second one 3ds Max, and third one Photoshop. And for we can add Vray for this, okay, and or otherwise we can use same like AutoCAD. Next one Google Sketchup plus Vray and Photoshop. Here not only learning the softwares, here you need to learn theory also. Theory, it's the main like important theory and Vastu. And if you see, so we have like 6 months and 1 year. In this first 3 months will be like volume 1 and volume 2. This both will be theoretical classes. And next will be like softwares, and same here also, but here again we'll have like materials like painting and texturings, and inside in depth we'll see in 1 year course. I think this information is useful for your career growth and your professional life. And in coming next slides, I will share you some images that you can understand what is the softwares and what work we are going to do in that. And thanks for watching.